and delicious. It's not for you, it's for mommy. Hurt. Good morning. Today we will be making Taiwanese egg crepes. This is a childhood favorite of mine and it's super simple to make. You'll need eggs for this recipe, 1 egg per omelette, potato flour, scallions, salt and pepper, and flour. Start by washing your scallions and then you're going to want to slice them. Take 1 cup of flour and pour that into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of potato flour. Then you're going to add a hefty pinch of salt. Take a whisk and just mix it up a bit. Then for the next steps, I am going to add 2.5 cups of water, but you're going to add it half cup by half cup just slowly so that way you can mix up the batter correctly. Remember to be patient with this process here. You're going to keep mixing up until you kind of have a thin batter-like consistency. I see it still, all her heartbreak in that last. Then you're going to want to strain the batter. I did it twice just to make sure that there are no clumps inside. Did I just turn and stare in icy silence? What was I to do when she told me that she loved me? Heat up a pan and add a very small drizzle of oil. Then you're gonna add the batter inside. When she told me so sincerely. Afterwards, you're going to add some green onion. She must have asked, did I just turn and stare in icy silence? You should leave it on for about 2.5 minutes or so. You can check up on the little pancake to see if there's a little bit browning on the sides. If there is, you're going to take it off the pan. When a love affair is over. Beat 1 egg and add some salt and pepper and place it in the pan with a little bit of oil. As you throw in the egg, make sure you swirl it around so it makes this round shape here. After about 40 seconds or so, you're going to top that pancake on top of the egg here. Then after 10-15 seconds or so, you're going to flip your pancake over before assembling it. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. How she must have asked, did I just... One is right inside the pan. You're just going to take your tool and maybe another pair of tongs and just flip it over like so. Way is just placing it on the plate like so and then using your 2 hands to fold it up. Alright, now it's just time to plate and I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee because I am a certified caffeine addict. Was I to say? What can you say when a love affair is? We normally eat this with soy sauce glaze. I do not have some, so oyster sauce will suffice. It's time to eat some dumpling. Alright guys, so it is time for some breakfast. A little sip of coffee. And
And I have some, I don't have the correct sauce for this. I'll link it at the bottom. Let's try it. Mmm. We have a guest. Ooh. Nope. But this is for me, not for him. No! He's staring at me. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys let your animals watch you eat? I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. This is mine. You guys can make your own. If you guys enjoyed this content, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to me. I'll see you guys next time.